X is a real number and 3 to the x cubed over 9 to the x equal to 81. Find the value of x. Here it's good because 3, 9, 81. All of them are powers of 3. So working with these numbers are so much better if we had instead of 3, for example, 2, 9, and these numbers. Let's check. If we write main equation 3 to the x cubed over 9 to the x equal to 81. So if I rewrite this, I know I want to consider base 3 for all of them. 3 to the x cubed over 9 is 3 squared to the x, and 81 is 3 to the 4. By power rule, we can say a to the m. The n equal to a to the mn. So power is 3x cubed, the numerator. The denominator will be 3 to the 2x, and here it is 3 to the 4. Okay, and here we have division. If we have a over a to the m over a to the n will be a to the m minus. So if we use it here, it will be 3 to the x cubed minus 2x equal to 3 to the 4. If we draw the diagram of 3 to the something, it will be a strictly increasing function. It is 3 to the x, it is x in x0, it will be 1. Here, it will be something like this. And now we can say, okay, because it is strictly increasing, we can conclude the powers have to be equal. So x cubed minus 2x equals to 4. We want to find x. And x is real number. When x is real number and you have the equations like this, you should take all things to one side. Now we take all things to left hand side, or we can say subtract by 4. X cubed minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, when you have equations like this, you should try to find the degrees greater than 2. So, one of the most useful idea is to find at least one root, then we can factorize, and degree 2, we have quadratic formula for that. So, let's find one root. Okay, x0 doesn't work because it will be 0 minus 4 is not 0. X equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 4 is not 0. And if you consider negative 1, it will be negative 1 cube will be negative 1 plus 2 minus 4. Again, doesn't work. X equal to 2. 2 cubed is 8 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, great. X2 works. When x2 works, it is a root. So one important idea, you can factor from x minus 2. Now you want to create x cubed minus 2x minus 4. For creating x cubed, I place x squared here. So it will be x cubed minus 2x squared. Now, if I place plus 2x, then because here we don't have in main equation negative 2x squared. So it will be, I should cancel that. 2x squared minus 4x. It will be cancelled. Now I have negative 4x. I want to reach negative 2x. So I should add by plus 2x. If I add plus 2, it will be plus 2x minus 4. And it will be exactly our main equation. It is 0. So, okay. So the first term is 0 or second term is 0. Let's consider these two cases. Case 1, x minus 2 is 0. So we conclude x is 2. Now if we replace in our main equation here, so if we replace x with 2, it will be 3, 2 cubed over 9, the 2. It will be 3, 2 cubed is 8, 9 is 3 squared to the 2, which is 3 to the 8 over 3 to the 4, which will be 3 to the 4, which is 81. Okay, so x2 is one answer. Let's consider second case, the second term equal to 0. If we check that, so let's see, case 2 is x squared, this part equal to 0. X squared plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. I solve this with two solutions. Solution number one for here is that if you have an equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then discriminant if x is real, like here. Problem says x is real number. So the discriminant, we call discriminant or someone's call it delta, b squared minus 4ac, if x is real, has to be at least 0. Now, in this example, a is 1, b is 2, c is 2. So discriminant is b squared 2 squared minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times 2, 4 minus 8, which will be negative 4 less than 0. So in this case, we don't have any answer. Now, let me solve it also with other solutions. Both of them are useful. Solution number 2 is we use this identity that a plus b squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So x plus 1, if you use this identity, x plus 1 squared, because here, look, we have x squared 2x. I consider x plus 1, it will be x squared plus 2, 1 times x 2x plus 1 squared, which is 1. So, from the assumption, if I call this one, for example, 1, from 1, we know that x squared plus 2x plus 2, you can say 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can say, okay, this part is x plus 1 squared plus 1 equal to 0. And we can take 1 to right hand side, so x plus 1 squared equal to negative 1. But because x is real number, left hand side is at least 0 because it is square. Right hand side is negative, so it is impossible. So both solutions prove that case 2 is impossible. So our only answer is when x equal to 2. If you've learned something new or want to have next videos, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. If you had other solutions except my solutions or any recommendation, comment below this video. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.